Hi, my name is Ola, and today I'm inspired to do makeup that will match this beautiful t-shirt. So let's start. First of all, I'm gonna show you, if you haven't seen the previous videos, what I'm using for my makeup. I'm pretty consistent with my routine. So I'm using these three products, this CC cream, this concealer, and contour. How are you doing? I really like this color. It's really beautiful. So I really want my makeup to match it, and we'll try to do it. It's important to mention that I'm using contour. You can use any brown shade. It's really important to use this dark shade here. So when we open it, we see this dark spot here. It will make our eyes pop like this. Beautiful. Also need to add here like this. So yeah, I don't really have a blue shade, but I have this, I don't even know the brand because it's gone. And I have this kind of blue that I don't know, has something different in it, maybe. So yeah, we'll use this one. And I don't know if it's Maybelline. It's NYX Professional Makeup. I painted makeup over my photo, so I guess my makeup or eyes will look like this. This is what I'm going for. Yeah, so I should look like this. And I guess it's really amazing. Yeah. So I painted it, and now I'm gonna paint it in real life. We'll see what will happen. Let's start. Look at this. It's very dark. Is it even blue? What is this? You see this color? Oh, maybe. Okay, we'll see. Go from this, and it's like you do. Oh, looks beautiful. You do like an eyeliner, but you need to blend it. Oh, that's a lot. Don't go over. Only go till the half. And just elongate your eye this way. And then use it here. Not very bright, just a little bit. We need to do a line. It goes like this. From the center till here. Like this. Okay. Trust the process. I will use my finger to make it more natural in a way. Does it look natural? Okay, it looks gorgeous right now. Next thing, I need all of it to finish my makeup. I'm gonna use this brown pencil, and I need to fill this corner like this, only like this, a little bit, because it's really dark here and we need to do it here as well. So you go, don't do too much, just a little bit. Like this. White pencil. You do a little line here. Then we need to go everywhere in the corner. and then go up. That's why we did contouring here, so it won't be too bright. So we have this dark line and the white line, and you go here as well. It doesn't really look as good on camera. I don't know why it's always like this, but you see this white line, then here, and it goes right here. I'm gonna do eyeliner from the middle till here. Ta-da! This is how it looks. We are kind of matching. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows because they look kind of messy right now. Oh, I love this makeup. I would love to recreate it in pink or like dark pink color. It would be nice. What do you think about my hairstyle for today? I did a haircut and I just don't know how to style them because they are much more shorter than they were before. But I guess like this, it looks cute. Some brow gel. Okay, they're good. I won't do it as bright as it is. If you have very dark lip gloss, you can make it lighter by using concealer. Moisturize your lips once again. Now use concealer, a little dot, because it will crease if you use way too much. Okay, now we need to use a little of it. It's kind of matching with this color. I want to make them bigger. I'm using this brow pencil for everything because it's perfect shade for contouring. And just relax your lips and paint under. You see the difference? I guess we're almost done. This highlighter, I think it will match. Maybe it won't. Now let's use this one from NYX. But it's not really bright as this one. But that's fine. I want it to look natural. I don't know how it can look natural with like blue eye makeup, but that's fine. I'm using it a lot. I really like to put my highlighter here because it looks very fresh. You just need to do it carefully. It's really beautiful. Now we just need to use here, and that's it. Beautiful. Our makeup is done. Well, I guess I'm kind of matching with my beautiful t-shirt. It's pretty. This highlighter is amazing. It's Illuminator, by the way. Do you like it? Because I really do. It's much more blue in my mirror. I don't understand that. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.